Hello everyone. Today I want to explain about a brand new Oxy-Hydrogen purifier where you can use to inhale a mixture of hydrogen and oxygen 2 in 1, or just hydrogen or just oxygen. They all have different antioxidant benefits for your body. And the way you use this machine is you will open it up, you will put in RO, reverse osmosis, or distilled water. Remember, no mineral water. Put in 1.5 liters into this cavity, and then you would on this and wait for 1 hour for the water to be processed. If there's anything wrong, it will show overheating, TDS, which is total dissolved solid. If you use mineral water, the light will come on and it won't work. Or if there's a water shortage, or if the tank is tilted so that there's an imbalance. If you move this machine somewhere else, you need to let it settle for about half an hour with the power on. After 1 hour, you can start using it to inhale the hydrogen oxygen gas for half an hour, 1 hour, 1.5 hours, or 2 hours. If you are having some sickness and you are recovering from some illness, you would want to start with half an hour. But if you are generally fit, you can start with 1 to 2 hours, once or twice a day. As you know, hydrogen has powerful antioxidant capability and anti-inflammatory capability. You can use it to inhale through your nose. You can buy a special goggles if you have eyes issue, or you can unplug this and put it on your ears if you want to resolve issues that are related to your ear or your brain. Thank you very much.